Alright, today we're going to try out our Spikes Tactical AR15 pistol. We've currently got a Surefire Flash Hider on it and fixed mag, and so let's see how loud this thing is. Alright, now let's try our Surefire Mini Suppressor, and it should just squeeze on just like that, and then just twist on. There we go. I got earplugs in, but it seems a heck of a lot quieter, so maybe we'll try a couple rounds without the earplugs just to see how it is. I think it definitely makes a difference. That thing should be hot now, yeah. So, I've got AR pistols for sale. You should buy one today. And agencies, I got suppressors for sale. You should have your boss buy one today.